Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about a very important topic, that is how to learn anything. Okay, so this is one of the most important thing that you have to know if you are in any field, no matter in software development or sales, whatever. How to learn anything properly so that it is useful for your day-to-day activities and you can apply it. So this is one of the most important thing that you have to know. So this video is divided into 10 points. Okay, this video is divided into 10 points. Please watch this video till the very end, else you won't understand the complete thing in a proper way. Don't just leave the video in between, you will not understand anything. Okay, so the first point is more consumption doesn't mean learning. So on a day-to-day basis, we watch YouTube videos, we watch lecture, we consume lecture. College students are going to lectures in the classes. In schools, lectures are being given, but this is the worst level of learning. Okay, by listening to lecture and consuming, you are not learning anything. Okay, if you are not applying the thing that you have learned, and if you are not doing the thing that you have learned, then it is a waste of time and it's complete waste. Coming to the second point, the second point is doing the thing is called actual learning. So you have to do whatever you have learned. This is the point. Okay, the third point is half knowledge is dangerous. Okay, so if you learn anything and it is half knowledge, it is dangerous. Okay, half learning anything is completely dangerous. So if you are learning anything, try to learn it A to Z, complete thing. Coming to the fourth point, the fourth point is the learning can be anything: coding, playing football, playing cricket, cooking, etc. If you are not doing it and applying it, you will not be able to learn that thing. Fifth point is until and unless you are able to do this, it is not called learning. The sixth point is you have to do the thing repeatedly. Okay, you have to do the thing repeatedly for long enough time in order to be perfect at this. Coming to the eighth point is you have to apply. Without applying what you have learned, this is not called learning. Ninth point is revise. Okay, revise and practice is very important. If you are not revising what you have learned, if you are not practicing what you have learned, it is not called learning. The last point is the 10th point is teach what you have learned. This is one of the most important thing that you have to know, that you have to teach whatever you have learned. Teaching makes the learning more strong. Okay, so these are the 10 points. I hope this video was valuable to you. If you found some value out of this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts, leave them in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.